Hello, this is the first video in a series that will cover what a node is on 1Cademy. To begin, a node is a single rectangular box that contains a unit of information, presented in the title and described in the content. A node represents the smallest unit of knowledge on 1Cademy, and nodes can connect to other nodes. Every node contains a header, footer, proposer, and type. There are several node types, including a concept node. A concept node defines a single concept of information. Relation nodes compare and explain a relationship between two topics or explain the relationship relating to multiple concepts. Reference nodes display a cited source in an APA format. An idea node is a new, original idea that is not summarized from an external source or contains any needed citation. Question nodes ask a multiple choice question that users answer by selecting the options provided. To learn more about the different aspects of a node, watch the following videos in the series for more information.